Imagine our Earth. Suddenly all its water vanishes, every drop gone. The vibrant blue marble we know changes instantly. It becomes a sphere of brown and desolate grey. The swirling white clouds, our planet's gentle veil, disappear completely. The sky above, once a familiar blue, turns into a stark, empty canvas. Our home transforms into an alien world, a planet we no longer recognize. It is a shocking, silent metamorphosis, a profound and sudden loss. The great oceans holding mysteries of the deep are no more. They become vast, empty basins of dust and rock. Mighty lakes like shimmering eyes on the continents dry up. They leave behind only hollow, cracked depressions in the land. Rivers, the lifeblood of civilizations, cease their flow. Their winding paths become dry, barren channels. All the Earth's water, from the grandest sea to the smallest puddle, is simply gone. Picture this immense, desolate emptiness. Life's essential source has vanished entirely. Earth now feels stark and utterly barren. The green cloak of our world withers rapidly. Forests full of life turn into skeletal groves of dead wood. Lush grasslands, home to countless creatures, become barren dust bowls. Colourful flowers, nature's delicate artistry, vanish without a trace. Earth's vibrant tapestry of life fades to a dull, lifeless hue. The breathtaking beauty we cherished is lost forever. A bleak and empty canvas is all that remains. The planet wears a shroud of sorrow. The familiar sounds of water fall silent across the globe. No gentle rain patters on rooftops or leaves. No mighty waves crash upon the shores of continents. No gurgling streams or rushing rivers sing their ancient songs. A deep, profound silence envelops the entire planet. This new quiet is truly unsettling, almost unnatural. The Earth feels hollow, devoid of its watery pulse. It is a quiet, mournful, and seemingly dead world now. Plants are the first to feel this catastrophic loss. They absolutely depend on water to create their food, to live. Without it, they begin to wilt almost immediately. Their leaves droop, they dry out, and they crumble into fine dust. Great ancient forests are among the first to perish. Then all the smaller plants, the grasses and shrubs follow suit. The crucial food chains, supporting all animal life, start to break apart. Life's vibrant green foundation is completely gone. Animals across every continent and in every former ocean face a terrible, inescapable fate. The burning thirst becomes unbearable for all creatures, great and small. Herbivores, the plant eaters, find no vegetation left to sustain them. Carnivores, the meat eaters, soon find no prey to hunt. Mass extinctions sweep across the planet with horrifying speed. All creatures suffer immensely in this new dry hell. There is no escape from the pervasive, deadly dryness. Their search for water is desperate and always failing. Humans, for all our ingenuity, are not spared this fate. Our bodies are fundamentally composed of water and demand it constantly. Dehydration would set in rapidly, leading to swift and certain death. Society, as we know it, would quickly collapse under such duress. With no water, there can be no agriculture, no food, and ultimately no hope. Our species' long and eventful reign on planet Earth ends. Our bustling cities become silent, dusty tombs. It is a tragic final chapter for humanity. Even the smallest forms of life, often unseen, succumb. Microscopic organisms dwelling in the soil by the billions perish. Tiny plankton, the base of aquatic food webs, vanish from the dry ocean beds. These small, often overlooked beings are absolutely vital for planetary health. They support all larger and more complex forms of life. Their widespread loss is nothing short of catastrophic. The intricate web of life built over eons unravels completely. All living systems on the planet collapse into ruin. With the oceans gone, their vast floors now lie exposed. Enormous dusty plains, once hidden beneath kilometers of water, appear. The deepest secrets of the abyss are suddenly revealed to the harsh sunlight. Immense trenches like the Mariana become colossal dry canyons. The seabed, a mysterious realm, now tells its ancient geological stories. What was concealed for millions of years is starkly visible. A new, rugged and unfamiliar surface covers much of Earth. Our planet's very skeleton emerges from its watery flesh. Giant mountain ranges, taller and longer than any on land, rise dramatically. These are the mid-ocean ridges, Earth's volcanic spine. Once deep beneath the churning sea, they now dominate the barren landscapes. Submarine volcanoes, their fiery vents, once spewing lava into water, stand tall. They are fully exposed to the thin, dry air for the first time. Earth's true naked geological form appears before us. It is a geologically raw and formidable-looking planet, a testament to the immense forces that shape worlds. The continents themselves appear much bigger than before. The old familiar coastlines shaped by water are gone forever. Land masses once separated by vast oceans now connect in new ways. Islands formerly surrounded by sea are just high peaks. They sit forlornly in the middle of vast empty basins. The entire map of the world is redrawn by this event. Earth's face is fundamentally altered, changed beyond recognition, changed radically and likely for all time to come. The familiar beds of rivers are now just empty, winding scars. They snake their way across the dry and dusty land. The basins of former Great Lakes are now giant, shallow bowls. They are flat, dusty, and utterly barren expanses of cracked earth. These stark features clearly show where water once flowed and pooled. They are like the ghosts of vanished rivers and lakes, and they stand as silent memories of once vibrant lakes, a stark testament to what Earth has lost. Without water's moderating influence, temperatures swing to wild extremes. The days on this dry Earth become scorching, unbearably hot. Then the nights plunge into deep freezing cold. Water, especially the oceans, acted as a global thermostat balancing our climate. Without this crucial regulation, unimaginable extremes begin to rule the planet. Earth becomes a far less hospitable place than it once was. It is much, much harder for anything to survive. A truly punishing and relentless environment now prevails. No water in the atmosphere means no clouds can ever form. The sky above is perpetually, eerily clear, but this cloudless sky brings no comfort or relief. No rain can ever fall to moisten the parched land. No snow will ever blanket the mountains or plains. The water cycle, essential for life and climate, is completely broken. It has stopped, permanently and irreversibly, it seems. Weather as we understood it, with its storms and seasons, ends. A static, harsh climate takes over. Winds on this desiccated planet will rage with ferocious intensity. Giant dust storms will frequently swirl across the globe. They will transport massive quantities of fine particles across the dry plains. Visibility during these storms will drop to almost nothing. The air itself will become thick with choking dust. This dust will carry grit that erodes all surfaces. Earth transforms into a true desert world, akin to Mars but different, a planet perpetually scoured by wind and dust. Our planet Earth was always special in the solar system. Water made it a shining jewel, a beacon of life. It was blue, vibrant, teeming with activity, and uniquely alive. Without its water, Earth is just another barren rock in space, a silent, sterile sphere, orbiting its star like so many others. This thought experiment starkly reveals water's true, immense worth. It is life's most precious and irreplaceable ingredient. We must always cherish and protect our water, our planet's lifeblood.